Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common Excel selection problem, where clicking in a cell extends or adds to your selection instead of replacing it. Problem 1. Excel extends your selection. You click in a cell, then click another cell, and instead of replacing the selection, Excel extends it from the first cell. This happens because Extend Selection mode is turned on. You can see this in the status bar at the bottom of Excel. It says Extend Selection. To turn it off, press F8 on your keyboard. On some laptops, you may need to hold the Fn key while pressing F8. Once it's off, clicking a cell will replace your selection normally. Problem 2. Excel adds to your selection. Sometimes, clicking a cell doesn't replace the selection. It adds it to the current selection. Clicking a selected cell will deselect it. This is called Add or Remove Selection mode. In the status bar, it shows instructions like, if active cell is outside current selection, the new selection will be added. If active cell is inside current selection, the new selection will be removed. To exit this mode, press Shift plus F8. Now clicking a cell will replace the selection as usual. And that's it. 2 quick ways to get Excel back to normal selection behavior. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.